It's me. In Chinese we say 是我是我是 means be 我 means me It's me 是我 My fault 我的错我的错我的 means mine 错 means fault My fault 我的错 My treat 我请客我请客我 means I 请 means invite 客 means guest I invite you as my guest. It means I will pay for the bill for you. So it means my treat. 我请客 I can. 我可以我可以我 means I. 可以 means can. I can. 我可以 I see. 我明白我明白我 means I. 明白 means understand. So I understand. 我明白 I know. 我知道我知道我 means I. 知道 means know. I know. 我知道 I agree. 我同意我同意我 means I. 同意 means agree. I agree. 我同意